guys, if you're seeing this problem, this means that you got the last problem wrong, so let's work it out together. Now that little slash means division, and you need to know that because you're going to see one like this on your test tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 12 over 4 and I'm going to go ahead and divide it. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 4. 12 can go into 4 3 times, so my answer is 3. Now you have two negative numbers, so you need to know your rules for your signs with multiplication and division. Now if your signs are both the same, like if they're both negative like this one, that means your answer is going to be positive. Same way if they're both positive, your answer is also going to be positive. But if your answer has two different signs, then that means your answer is going to be negative. And this little smiley face could help you if you remember to draw it out. I'm going to put a little circle around him so we can see him a little better. Okay, now let's try a few example problems over here on the side. So let's say we have negative 13 times 4. Looking at this, I have a negative and a positive, so I'm going to go ahead and put, well, my answer's got to be negative. So if you have multiple choice options, I would go ahead and cross out the ones that, have a positive answer because your answer needs to be negative. Now I'm going to do 13 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4, 5. My answer is 52. The signs were different, so my answer is negative. Let's do another example. Let's say I have 6 times negative 4 times negative 3. This is a little different because they're all multiplying together. So I'm just going to do 6 times negative 4. 6 times 4 is going to get me 24. My signs are different, so my answer is negative. And then I'm going to bring down my negative 3. This time my signs are the same, so my answer is going to be positive. But I need to work them out over here. 24 times 3 gets me 12. 6, 7 gets me 72. They were both the same, so my answer is positive 72. Let's try this one. So let's say you have an example of negative 6 divided by negative 2. Again, your signs are the same. And since they're the same, my answer is going to be positive. So I could eliminate any negative numbers. And 6 divided by 2 gets me positive 3. Let's try another example. Let's say you have negative 16 divided by 2. Just because you see a slash like that, that doesn't mean it's anything else. It's just division. That gets me 8. The signs are different, so my answer is negative. I would draw out my smiley faces to help me for these next few problems. If you haven't done that, go ahead and do that now.